In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change item types in list items in QuickBooks Intuit, and we'll do it in just 5 minutes. QuickBooks is a powerful tool used by millions around the world to manage finances efficiently, and understanding how to modify item types can streamline your accounting processes, making sure everything reflects your business needs accurately. Now let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to sign in. Head over to your web browser and locate the sign in page for QuickBooks. Once you're there, click on the sign in button. This will take you to the next step where you can access your QuickBooks account. If you're new to QuickBooks, make sure you've set up your account properly before proceeding. The sign in process is fairly straightforward. Next, you'll want to make sure you're using QuickBooks Online. So after you've hit sign in, look for the QuickBooks Online option and select it. This is important because our steps today are specifically for QuickBooks Online users, and the desktop version might have different navigation and options available. Once that's set, type in your credentials, your username and password. Make sure you keep these details secure and hit the continue button to log into your account. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, which is a great way to keep your account secure, go through that process as well. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the home page where you'll see a variety of options. Click on Sales. This is typically found on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Clicking on Sales will bring you to a new page filled with all your sales-related information. The next step is to click on Products and Services. This is where you'll find a list of all the items related to your business. It's a comprehensive view that can help you easily manage and track everything from inventory to services offered. When you've accessed the Products and Services page, you should be able to see a list of products. Find the specific product you wish to change and click on the Edit button next to it. This is where you'll be able to make changes to its item type. After you click on Edit, look for the Change Type link at the top of the page. QuickBooks allows you to change the type of an item under specific circumstances, so make sure this option suits your needs. Finally, choose the item category you want to switch to from the list provided and then hit Save. Be careful with this step, double check that the new category aligns with how you want to classify the item in your accounting records. Once you hit save, you're done. You've successfully changed the item type in QuickBooks Online. And there you have it, folks. Changing item types in QuickBooks can be done quickly and efficiently if you follow these steps. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has been helpful for your business needs. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials.